I'm going to show you how you can download and install GTA San Andreas in 2025. The most common distributor there is called Steam, so we're going to be using that. You just want to go ahead and go to the search bar and you want to search up Grand Theft Auto. Make sure not to actually abbreviate it with GTA. You want to actually type it out to be Grand Theft Auto. And you can see there already is, that's going to come up here, San Andreas, but we're just going to tap on search like this, Grand Theft Auto. Now on Grand Theft Auto, you want to go ahead and find Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. You might need to scroll down a little bit. If you can't find it, then just add this San Andreas like this. And then just tap on search again. And you can see it'll come up like here. So tap on Grand Theft Auto GTA San Andreas. Now this is the definitive edition, so it's the remastered one. It's not the original one, but it's basically the same thing. Now if you want to buy it, just tap on add to cart here. Or if you want to buy the trilogy, you can tap to add to cart here as well. But we can just tap on add to cart here. Now this will get you Grand Theft Auto 3, Vice City, and also San Andreas. So you will need to buy all three of them. So just tap on view my cart. Now on here, you just need to continue with the purchase. So let's just wait for this to load. On here, just tap on continue payment, and then you will need to buy the game. So there's gonna be that to deal with. You can play with Visa if you like, but you can also have other payment method here. So just enter in your card number, expiration date, security, billing information, and then just tap on continue. And then you can download GTA San Andreas from your library here.